Do you have a lot of jewelry at home that needs a good cleaning? Well, I've got some hacks to show you how to do just that, so stay right there. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm talking jewelry. Silver, gold, diamonds, gemstones, all of those can be cleaned with products that you have in your cabinets or in your refrigerator. I know, hard to believe, right? I have a lot of jewelry that never gets a good cleaning. I wear my engagement ring and my wedding bands on a daily basis, yet I don't properly take care of them and let them sparkle like they should. So I have some products here that I'm going to show you that are going to clean all of your jewelry, super simple, and most of these products you already have in your cabinet. So I'm going to start with gold, actually. We all love gold. Who doesn't? It's so fun. I've got a wedding band here that was actually my mother's that I've had for a really long time. It has not been cleaned, as you can see, in quite some time. So did you know that beer will actually clean gold? I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a beer that you've got. Now it's got to be a light, like a light ale, nothing dark. And you're going to take a nice clean washcloth. You're just going to wet the washcloth with the beer. You can drink it if you want to. All right, and then take your whatever gold you've got, and we're just going to clean it off with this washcloth and the beer. I mean, I can already see it looking so much better. How incredible is that? So if you're out at a restaurant and you get a beer and you look down and your gold rings are looking nasty, you can just, take your napkin right there and start cleaning your ring off. Really great. This is an awesome way to, keep that gold clean. Okay, let's talk diamonds. All right, so I've got my engagement ring here, and what you can do with diamonds is you can use toothpaste. Now you're going to want to use a toothpaste that is not a gel. So it's going to be one that is going to be more pasty. So, take an old toothbrush, stick some toothpaste on the toothbrush, and as you can see, my diamond is pretty dirty. We're going to just very easy, so it wants to be a soft bristle toothbrush, and we're just going to clean it up all in there. Make it nice and shiny. And after you do that, you're going to take a clean washcloth and wash it off. And it can be wet if you want to wet it. Either way, it will get it nice and clean for you. Another thing that you can use that you might have in your medicine cabinet is Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer is also great for cleaning jewelry. What you're going to want to do is just take a cup of water, stick in one of the Alka-Seltzer tablets, and I'm going to throw in my engagement ring, actually. I'm going to throw it in there for a couple of minutes, let it fizzle. And so that's what you can do with diamonds. Now, let's talk silver. Silver can get really tarnished. As you can see, I've got a nice bracelet that I've had for a really long time, and it is really kind of nasty. It's pretty gross. Believe it or not, but ketchup will clean silver. It will clean the tarnish off silver. Ketchup and baking soda. Now, I'm going to do the baking soda today to show you. So what you're going to want to do with the baking soda is you're going to take a fourth a cup of baking soda and then 2 tablespoons of water. And it's going to make like a paste, as you can see, kind of pasty. And you're going to take your silver and just kind of lather the paste onto the silver. I've got my ring in there. It's going to be really pretty when I pull it out. We're going to take a clean wash rag. I think that's my beer one. Let's use this one. All right, and just kind of clean it off. Oh man, look at that. You can kind of see the dirt coming off already. Unbelievable. You don't, these are things you have in your home. I mean, baking soda we keep in our, look at that. Look how gross gross that is. I hope you can really see that. Just really awesome way to keep your silver clean. If you've got silver, utensils, I've got some old silver that my great-grandmother passed down to me. This is another way you can clean that as well. Just really great. I mean, just look how nasty that is. Super awesome. So, let's talk about some of the products, though, that you can also just buy to clean your jewelry. We've got, this is a really popular brand off of Amazon. It's called Brilliant, and it's got a silver cleaner, and they also have a diamond cleaner, and this can do gold, pearls, platinum. These are both going to run you about $8, whereas these are going to be, way, way cheaper. Great little hacks for you to know about, keeping your jewelry clean. So here, oh, actually, you know what? Let's pull this ring out. Let's see how the, look how great that actually did. Got my rings nice and clean. Oh man, I'm gonna be sparkling today. All right, so these are awesome products you can use to get your jewelry clean, your gold, your silver, gemstones, diamonds. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and give me a like, give me some comments. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Wardrobe Hackers. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.